Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get to level 20 Fast Valorant. First, you need to go to Google. Here, search for Valorant. Open the official website of Valorant.com. You need to follow these steps to reach level 20 fast. Number 1. Play regularly. Consistency is key for accumulating XP over time and completing daily challenges. Number 2. Complete challenges. Take advantage of daily and weekly challenges to earn bonus XP. Number 3. Play different agents. Switch between agents to earn bonus XP for playing multiple characters. Number 4. Play with a full party. Join forces with friends for additional XP bonuses and better coordination. Number 5. Use XP boosters. Activate XP boosters from rewards or the in-game store to temporarily increase your XP gain. And lastly, number 6. Consider the Battle Pass. If you have it, complete Battle Pass tiers for extra challenges and XP rewards. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.